Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on the intelligent features category at the first place, and here at the third position we have scan QR codes option. By using this button we can turn it off or turn it on like that as we need, and of course I suggest you to keep this turned on, because when you have this you can scan QR codes by putting them inside your camera app and you don't need any other app to do it, so this is really easy. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.